Alright, so this is EeePC finally came here. 1000 HE, box and everything. Ooh, yay. Time to open it. 1000 HE. You can't see that, but it says it right there. Sweet. I guess I should just have a knife for this instead of crappy kitchen shears. Yeah, let's see if this works. Old pocket knife. Alright. So, here's like the carrying case. Little sleeve thing. Got a quick user guide thingamajig. And we have the actual computer. Let's see. Take it out of here, I guess. There it is. See how my hand compares to it. Pretty small. Yeah, already getting fingerprints on it. What else is in the box? Got a little like a microfiber cleaner thingamajig. Power cord. Brick for said cord. Battery. Battery is just probably like almost as heavy as the EeePC itself. Warranty card, XP support DVD, and user manual. And that's basically it. All that there. I've got my RAM ready to put in. Why not? Might as well do that now. You just turn it over. You have to make sure the battery's out. And there's two screws right here and here. Let's go ahead and take them off. I'm going to break this already. The F. There we go. Alright. Oh, hey, it wasn't on the screen. I suck. So this is the RAM right here. I'm just going to take that out. There's the screw. Just push the little tabs on the side there. Pull it out. It's 1 gig of RAM. I'm just going to pop in my 2 gigs. Right here. Just match the notch up with the, I don't really think you can see that, but there's a notch there as well. Just push it in and push it down. And that's it. And then when we boot it up for the first time, I'm just going to boot into BIOS so it recognizes it. And that should be good. So I'm just going to put the lid back on, or the back cover back on. Yeah. Doop 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 doop. But this is so entertaining. One screw in. You guys said you wanted a video instead of just pictures. Alright. Just gonna pop the battery in now. Little battery notice card. I'm retarded. Don't hate on me.
This is me and Pooter's first walk upstairs. Did you see that? This is me putting Pooter down on the step. This is Mike looking at
I'm gonna cut this bit out.
Pooter after Mike look at Pooter.
So, got that in. And then I'm just gonna charge it. Let me show you the screen. Take this off. Definitely it's got a matte screen, so that's nice, but the glossy everywhere else, it's gonna definitely be a fingerprint magnet, which is a good thing. Came with this then. But as you can see, it's pretty nice. It's a little smaller than a normal keyboard, but doesn't feel too bad. Nice keypad, touchpad. So I'm just gonna plug it in and boot it up. Thanks for watching.